the purpose of us being in this National Assembly since on 29 of last month is to call on our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, to please prevail on the Senate President and the Inspector General of Police to exit us from contributive pension scheme. The scheme is satanic, is fraudulent, and in fact is the latest Yahoo in town. It's a Ponzi scheme. Police officer will serve 35 years. ASP at the end of 35 years will be giving 1.5 million naira. DSP will be giving 2 million naira, and to be collecting monthly pension of 30,000. SP 2.5 million naira, and to come and be collecting monthly pension scheme of 40,000 naira. CSP, the group that I belong, we go with 3 million naira after 35 years in service, and now we be paid 50,000 naira monthly pension. What do we want to use this to do? For your information, Commissioner of Police retire is being paid 70,000 naira every month as a pension scheme. This money is slavery, is to suffer us. And in fact, the most funniest thing that the PECON has done, they program retirees to die 10 years after service. Because 10 years after service, they will cease paying you any money, no pension again. That means they program us to die 10 years after service. The soldiers have exited the group, the EFCC, the SS, the NIA, the DMI, even the National Assembly have exited the group to worsen the situation. Our generals, AIG to Inspector General of Police, they clandestinely remove themselves from the pension scheme, leaving CP to constable to wallop in abject poverty, suffer and die after serving the nation for meritorious 35 years. We said enough is enough. I know His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, when he was governor of Lagos State, I work as a police officer in Lagos State. I know the program he has for police. He set a template that other governors of the state of Nigeria today are copying. I am now very surprised that under him we are going through, though he made the situation on ground. And I believe the DG PECON, the Inspector General of Police, another police management team, who are the owner of the police pension company, they are misinforming the president. We are now telling the president that that scheme is fraudulent, is Yahoo-Yahoo scheme. They should remove the police officer. If they fail to remove police officer, they are laying foundation for national insecurity. That is just the implication. They are laying foundation for national insecurity because the serving members are presently demoralized because they are thinking of what will happen to them after retirement. They are no longer putting their best. While we are the immediate victim, Nigeria is going to be the victim at long run. Because of this, we are calling on the federal government, we are calling on our president to, as a matter of urgency, he can use executive B. He used executive B to exit the AIG to DIG. He can use it to do the same thing for us. This is our prayer.
We are here since on the 29th of September to date. And we are expecting authorities to come to our aid. It is like they are putting a deaf ear. Well, we will continue to be fighting. We are fighting because we are not fighting, say, for increase. We are fighting for just for a cause. That is our right. Our right in the sense that we needed our right because it is our money. Anybody you see here, we have worked for it. We have worked for it. 35 years, it's not 35 days. That a man will just from a younger age to the date, then will retire, then they will give you just 1 million or 2 million naira. Whereas somebody working as a staff in the PENCOM are collecting 3 million, 4 million just as a month salary. A cleaner 1.5. You can see how cheating and how corruption have deepened entirely the Nigerian citizens of this country. We are appealing to the Nigerian government that they should look back and remember that police, we know that police is an orphan. Police is only a child that does not have father and mother, that nobody cares. But they say, there was an adage said that if you are fighting for a cause, you are ready to die on the cause. If you need be, you are not serious. Entirely Nigerian police, both entirely Nigerian police and retiree, we are asking Mr. President Bola Tinubu, we know him to be a good man, and I believe he is the only one to send us out of this deadly PENCOM scheme. We will go out of the PENCOM to enable us get our money back. We are feeling hungry. Entirely Nigerian police, nobody is happy, even as you see them standing. They are not happy. A man will retire as commissioner of police who served a state for 35 years will go home with 3 million naira. A commissioner of police and a major general will retire, will go home with not less than 200 to 300 million naira. Then you will only tell a blind man that there is no oil in the soup, but you cannot tell a blind man there is no salt. Neither. You people have been giving us a lot of assistance. God Almighty bless you people.
So, the last time you stayed the massive process to headquarters, it was during former PRO.
Yes.
You try to reach out to the new one now to know the situation on the ground.
Well, when we did the first headquarters protest, it was actually progress because IGP opened mouth and tell us in the auditorium room that Mr. President sent him that we should, what do we want? I was among the people that wrote the letter and we submitted to IG to give to Mr. President that what we need is exist. We don't no longer needed to be with the PENCOM. We have an standing order that PPB, Police Pension Board, as well as sister agencies has their own. We need to have our own. I don't think that you work for Jealous Beggar, then and then you go to that maybe to pay you your wages. It's totally unfair.